We are unboxing the Adidas Rapida K for women. Sometimes they come in this box. It's been recycled because it was damaged in transit. But they are still super new. These have black with a wild leopard accent. These are a size 7 for reference. They've got gold on the inside. Got the bounce insole that Adidas is known for. These are for errands, hiking, running, whatever you want to do with these would work great. Super comfortable shoes. I love the leopard on them. Great accent. They got the bounce sole. Ooh, super cute shoe. Peach on the back. Easy grab up, lace up. Little tags, so you still know they're brand new, never been touched. Sometimes the box just gets damaged in transit. It is what it is.